An incessant war has been brewing between the Idemba people and the Ogodo community. Ogodo warriors have tried for many years to unravel the mystery behind the successes enjoyed by the Idemba community and the power that guides Idemba, but to no avail. They did not relent in their quest to conquer Idemba. From their inquiries, a medicine man from Olu had told them that the power of the Idemba, their successes, and fertile land are traced to Abiama Idemba and Aka Idemba contest. In the heart of the tumultuous land, the Idemba people thrived, their crops lush, and their spirits high, while the Ogodo community, shadowed by envy and ambition, yearned for their prosperity. For years, Ogodo warriors strategized, seeking to understand the secrets that fortified Idemba against their advances. Rumors whispered through the village, carrying tales of a great contest between Abiamik Idemba, the spirit of abundance, and Aka Idemba, the guardian of strength. These contests, it was said, had forged an unbreakable bond between the Idemba people and their ancestral powers, blessing them with fertility and resilience. Determined to crack this mystery, the Ogodo turned to a renowned medicine man from the nearby village of Olu. His insights were sought with great urgency, for the Ogodo believed that unraveling this ancient story would provide them the key to victory. The medicine man, steeped in knowledge of the old ways, revealed that the contest had not only been a test of might, but also a celebration of balance. Strength must harmonize with balance. With this revelation, the Ogodo devised a plan aiming to mimic the spirit of the contest. They gathered their finest warriors and farmers, seeking to blend the prowess of battle with the richness of the land. They believed that if they could create their own version of the contest, they might attract the favor of the spirits and challenge the Idemba's claim to the land. As preparation unfolded, tension hung thick in the air. The Idemba people, sensing the growing threats, turned to their elders for guidance. It was said that the spirit of Abiama and Aka Idemba watched closely, weighing the intentions of the both communities. The upcoming contest would not just be one of strength and strategy, but a battle for the very soul of the land.